வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் 10th Standard Science English Medium. One more question and answers. Lesson 3 Thermophysics. Choose the best answer. The value of universal gas constant. Option D is correct. 8.31 joule mole to the power minus 1 K minus 1. Answer is D. 8.31 joule mole to the power minus 1 Kelvin to the power minus 1. If a substance is heated or cooled, the change in mass of that substance is option C is correct answer 0. If substance is heated or cooled, the change in the mass of that substance is 0. If a substance is heated or cooled, the linear expansion occurs along the axis of here answer A and answer B are correct. So here answer is option D, A or B. Answer A, x or minus x, and B, y or minus y. Both our answers are correct. So here answer option D is correct one, A or B. Temperature is the average dash of the molecules of a substance. Answer is option C. Difference in total energy and potential energy. Difference in TE and PE. Difference in total energy and potential energy. In the given diagram, the possible direction of heat energy transformation is the possible direction of heat energy transformation is answer option A, B to A, C to A and C to B. Please look at the picture. 303 Kelvin A, 303 Kelvin B, 304 Kelvin and C, 305 Kelvin. Heat energy always transfers from higher energy to lower energy. From higher temperature to lower temperature. By this answer option A is correct one. B 304 Kelvin, 2A 303 Kelvin, C 305 Kelvin, 2A 303 Kelvin and C 305 Kelvin, 2 304 Kelvin. So answer A is correct. Fill in the blanks. The value of Avogadro number is dash. Answer 6.023 into 10 power 23. The value of Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. The temperature and heat are dash quantities. Answer scalar quantities. The temperature and heat are scalar quantities. 1 calorie is the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of dash of water through dash. Answer temperature of 1 gram of water through through 1 degree C. 1 calorie is the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree C. According to Boyle's law, the shape of the graphic between pressure and reciprocal of volume is dash. Answer: straight line. According to Boyle's law, the shape of the graph between pressure and reciprocal of volume is straight line. True or false? If false, explain why. For a given heat in liquid, the apparent expansion is more than that of real expansion. Answer: false. The correct answer is, for a given heat in liquid, the real expansion is more than that of apparent expansion. Real expansion is more than that of apparent expansion. Thermal energy always flows from a system of higher temperature to a system of lower temperature. Answer: true. Thermal energy always flows from a system of higher temperature to a system of lower temperature. True. According to Charles' law, at constant pressure, the temperature is inversely proportional to volume. Answer: false. The correct answer is not inversely, directly proportional. The correct answer is, according to Charles' law, at constant pressure, the temperature is directly proportional to volume. Match the following. Here column 1 questions are given and column 2 answers are shuffled. You have to write the correct answer. You can see the answer. For linear expansion, change in length. Linear expansion, change in length. Superficial expansion, change in area. Superficial expansion, change in area. Cubical expansion, change in volume. Cubical expansion, change in volume. Heat transformation, hot body to cold body. Hot body to cold body. Heat transformation, hot body to cold body. Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant 1.381 into 10 to the power minus 23 Joule Kelvin to the power minus 1. Boltzmann constant 1.381 into 10 power minus 23 Joule Kelvin to the power minus 1. Assertion: and recent type questions. Mark the correct choice. A. Both the assertion and the reasons are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. B. Both the assertion and the reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. C. Both assertion and reason false. D. Assertion is false, but the reason is true. Question number 1. Assertion. There is no effect on other end when one end of the rod is only heated. Reason: heat always flows from a region of lower temperature to higher temperature of the rod. Here, assertion is false and also reason is false. So, answer option C is correct. Both assertion and reason false. Question number 2. Assertion. Gas is highly compressible than solid and liquid. Reason: interatomic or intermolecular distance in the gas is comparably high. Here, assertion is true and also reason is true. So, your answer is option A. Both the assertion and the reasons are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Thank you.